No drip this, tell him run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell him run it up. I wake up, flex. Long down, not check. No drip this, tell him run it up.
We're shutting down the roads. You can't see anything. Holy shit. We're both just smoking out the entire road. Look, this guy's not gonna be able to see anything. Look, he's in his brakes. Oh boy, it's a hill. Oh boy, it's a fucking... Oh my god! Holy crap! We're gonna head into town and like smoke out all the intersections so nobody can go. That's gonna be fucking phenomenal.
Excuse me for interrupting, but
that I am giving away my 2011 Ford F-250 King Ranch with 110,000 miles, 6.7 Powerstroke with an 18-inch lift, wheel lights, rock lights, 26x16 KG1 forged wheels wrapped around with 40-inch Comforter tires, completely loaded King Ranch with a sunroof, Starlight headliner, color matched everything, suspension, and all of it is in beautiful condition. And time is running out for you to get entered in to win this truck. I can't believe it's dumping so much. Oh my god, look at it. I'm gonna start dumping too. We're gonna black out the entire road. I can't see anything. Holy shit. Oh, look at this truck. Hey, Bryce! Motherfucker! And then turn it black? Yeah! Huh?
Huh?
On your go?
On my go.
10 seconds to get there.
Fine, I'll time it. Fuck.
Comment down below how long you think it's gonna take them to get there.
I ran pro.
Wait, I'll start it at 15 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. That's 5 seconds. 11. Fuck. Alright, it took him like 13 seconds. Or like 7 seconds. It took you like 7 seconds. It's freaking gorgeous out here. What a nice little road. Too bad anybody behind us is getting completely blacked out. Boy, what is this? never seen this bridge.
This is my property.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
These are cows too?
I ain't claiming those. Those things are bought from a damn stockyard. These things are all inbred, ugly ass. Yeah, we got Simmental, we got Charlotte, we got possibly maybe Angus. Looking like some Gromatine.
Cows 101.
Oh yeah.
What are we gonna do in here?
We're gonna fog it out.
He's gone. That looks sick.
Hey Max. So, you may think your truck's clean, but the funny thing is, only people who don't care about their stuff totally forgets about the roof area. And let me tell you, your roof area is the farthest color from black you can think of. It's like Donald Duck took a shit in Goofy's mouth, and Goofy peed it out, and then Mickey Mouse took a shit in it with diarrhea, but mixed it around, and now it's some purple brownish Paducah color, and it just, you can't give this piece of shit away. Like, what is this?
You know what I think about you?
You know what I think? I
know-
think you're poverty because you don't got a full
Hey,
moon roof.
why don't you just jump off that fucker?
You know, I'll do a flip off this thing.
Do a
And-
flip.
And before I do it, I'm gonna say, bitches, get money.
You know what you remind me of?
What?
That right there. We're heading up to Perfection Wheels, and we're gonna go get some new meats for the old tow rig and get this thing dialed in. That way we're good to go on some rubbers. And yeah, so in like 5 hours, for me, 4 hours, but like a couple seconds for you, we're gonna be at Perfection Wheels. We'll see you guys there. And we made it to the one and only Perfection Wheels, where they have everything. And they've got every truck you can imagine too. Jesus. Excursion, first gen, Luma Duty, everything, boy. I don't think you're certified for that. That shit's dangerous. I got a four-wheel certification like 3 years ago. Even with Biden's bullshit laws, these guys are still packed with inventory. Hostiles, 4Gs, fuels, American forces, everything, Axe, KG1s, Amp tires, Versa tires, everything. Whatever you want, they have it here. And it's in stock. Or it's like a week or two waiting time. So come to Perfection Wheels, come get your wheels and tires or whatever you need and come get them done here. They ship, they fast orders, and it's all quality stuff, and it's done fast. So if you want wheels and tires quick and at a good price, come to Perfection Wheels and come check them out and get your stuff hooked up. The new Larry Hoovers. Oh. Oh my gosh, we got plenty of rubber. We gotta do round 2. What are we doing? We gotta do round 2.
Oh, was it?
Huh? That was all right.
You got the, hey, if anything, you got the neighbors fired up.
Oh yeah?
But they're fucking trying
We won't do it again, man.
to do it again. You heard the man. You heard the man.
That's why I love this guy.
That'll do.
The amp did me good, but now it's time for the Mercy. Some Versace tires, Versace. Well, I think that'll do. We got a little bit of burnout material left, but we don't want to piss too many people off, so we're going to get them swapped out. We did some pretty decent burnouts. Oh my God, look at this rubber.
Oh my God.
It's all over the place. Now the truck needs washed.
With that shit.
Oh my God, it was really throwing rubber. Look at this. Oh my. Holy shit, that's awesome. I love it. This tire is screwed. It's all feathered on the outside, and it's not my alignment because that's a used tire. I had to replace it down in Florida. So perfection, always hooking us up, doing us good. That thing's baller. That thing's baller. Even though that's a Chevy, that's baller. Even the tow pig, like that's a work truck, still baller. Look at that. The Excursion in the back, baller. If you're trying to be baller, just come to Perfection Wheels. Right?
Right.
Right, exactly. That's what I'm saying. No, but seriously, this first gen is sick. Dude, I love this first gen. Honest to God, this is probably my favorite first gen. It's just so simple and clean. But I think it needs a visor. If it had a visor, that'd be sick.
Did you spell first gen S-E-X?
Yes. See what the GMC can do. I wonder if he can outdo the Illumiduty. Oh shit! That thing sounds good. Yeah, I dig it. Transmission left the chat. I thought you did too. I think you need some traction bars. Now, when I said they do literally everything here at Perfection Wheels, this guy brought his lawnmower tire and wheel here. He's not, I'm telling you, they're not joking. Perfection Wheels does it all. They make time for anybody and everybody. Right?
True.
My mower's gonna get fucking putting a 9 wide on a 3 wide. 3 wide tire for a 9 wide wheel. Oh, we're gonna have to use some fire. Fire! One second, I can take my receipt off. Just take that on the phone. How do you got my name on it?
I had to paint that rim red so it's case.
Oh, he got it that time. Oh yeah, that one's gonna stick. Hey, if there's a will, there's a way. We made it back home, guys. The tires rode amazing. A dream come true. Anyways, here they are all mounted up. They look really good. They didn't make too much noise being that it's an MXT or an MT. But I think they look freaking killer. I don't know if I like this. I think I like this lug pattern. It's like really aggressive. And it's a lot more aggressive than the amps, which I like. So honestly, like, people don't realize, but like what kind of tires you put on your truck, it does change the outlook of your truck. And quite honestly, I like the look of these. These Versas look really, really well, and they rode really well. But yeah, hopefully you guys liked this video. If you didn't, go yourself. And if you did, comment down below what you want to see next. Now, have a good weekend. Don't do anything I want to do, which is pretty much nothing.
Oh my gosh.
The bus is, oh, it's done. That thing is engulfed.